Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve an interview problem taken from Leet code called merge string alternately. Okay, so you are given two strings, word 1 and word 2. Merge these strings by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word 1. If a string longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merge string. And at the end, return the merge string. Okay. So let's take few examples. So here we have A, B, C, the word 1, and the word 2 is P, Q, R. So the output is A, P, B, Q, C, R. So A, P, B, Q, C, R. Okay. So this is the output. So in second example, the word 1 is smaller than the word 2. It has two characters A, B, and word 2 has P, Q, R, S. So output is A, P, B, Q, and then the remaining part R, S at the end. So A, P, B, Q, and R, S. So in example 3, the word 2 has a smaller length than word 1. So the remaining letters in the word 1 will be appended at the end. So A, P, B, Q, C, D. Okay. So let's solve this problem. So let's say we have ABC as word 1 and word 2 is PQR. Let's say ABCDE. Okay. So we can easily solve this problem using two pointers. So first pointer will point to the first character in word 1. So let's say this is I. And the second pointer would point to the first character in word 2. So let's say that is J. And we'll have to start with word 1. So first we'll initialize the merged string and we'll take the character at ith index from the word 1 and the jth index from the word 2 and put it in the merged string. So we'll take A and we'll take P from here and we'll move the pointer to the next index. So now I will point to B and J will point to Q. Okay. So we'll repeat the process. We'll take B from word 1 and Q from word 2 and move the pointer to the next index. So this is C and we'll move the pointer here. So R, and at this point, the word 2 is over. Okay, so the pointer has reached to the last character. So we'll stop this operation and what we will do, we'll take the remaining characters from the word 1 and append it to the merged string. So that is DE. And this would be the output. Okay, so pretty simple and a straightforward approach. Now we can proceed and write the code for this problem. Okay, so we'll write the Python code. So we'll take two index, I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. Next, we will initialize the array. Let's call it as merged. Now we will iterate both the words simultaneously. So while I is less than length of word 1 and j is less than length of word 2. If that's the case, we'll do result dot append word 1 I. So we'll take the character at ith position from the word 1 and from word 2 we'll take the character at the jth position and we'll increment the pointers to the next character. So j is equal to j plus 1. Okay, so once we are out of this loop, we can say that at least one of the word is over. So we'll check if any of the word is remaining. So if I is less than length of word 1, and if that's the case, we'll add it to the result. So result dot append and okay, so all the characters after ith index. Similarly, for the second string, so if j is less than the length of word 2, we'll take rest of the characters and append it to the result. Now the result array has all the merged characters. So at the end, we'll convert it to string So join and result, and we'll return that. Okay. So let's double check the code. So we have two pointers I and j starting with 0, and we have merged array. Okay, we have made a mistake here. So here it's merged and here we are using result. So let's change it to result. Okay, so here we have result array. So we'll start with iterating both the words at the same time and adds the characters alternatively. And then we'll check if any of the word is remaining, add rest of the characters to the result array. And at the end, convert it to string and return. So let's run this code. Okay, so we have an issue here. Okay, some indentation problem. Okay, now let's run it again. Okay, yeah, this should be word and then all the characters after ith index. And similarly here, this should be word 2. Okay, now let's run it again. Okay, so all three test cases passed. Now we can submit this code. Okay, so our solution is accepted. All 108 test cases passed. Runtime 30 millisecond, beating around 94% of the submissions. So with that, we are done. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.